which was close to, see the way it has moved from 2000 in a year's time, it has moved up so sharply. It is the base SOFR has come to 450. It's one of the sharpest hike cycle. I mean, lots of interest rate hikes so fast to combat the inflation, and it has made the borrowing cost of corporates go haywire with, current rates of SOFR are as follows. 3 month is 486, 6 month is 512, 1 year is 529. And as we just saw that the likelihood of SOFR staying above 5% is increasing because the inflation is not decelerating at a pace which is expected. And hence, most likely SOFR will linger longer. I mean, will stay high maybe for a little longer period. Hopefully, it will not cross 6.5. That will happen only if the CPI, US CPI turns back towards 7 and 8%. Otherwise, we will see stability, because Fed also knows that this high interest rate itself is creating a recessionary pressure in the economy. It will take a little bit of time for the effects to be felt. The economy will slow down and the inflation should come down. But yes, if the market is expecting that there will be no recession and the inflation will be sorted out, that is extremely naive. I mean, it's not going to happen. Life is not going to be that easy. That your recession will not be there and inflation will also come down. So yes, recessionary pressures are also there. We can see that in IT sector. We can see that in renewables, industrials. We are able to see those in tech. Tech was untouched earlier. Now tech sector is also seeing a bit of nervousness. So there is a recession as well as inflation. Both pressures are there. And we think that 5.5 kind of levels will linger for a bit longer time, more than what market is expecting. So these are the SOFR rates. Unlike LIBOR, SOFR is more like a overnight rate, that the base SOFR, structured overnight funding rate, is an overnight rate. So it's more like an equivalent of a call money rate. That's what SOFR is. And it's a secured overnight funding rate. So it's a secured in nature. However, it's not a term money like, LIBOR, which is 3 months, 6 months depo rate between banks. So it's different from that. So what is the expected SOFR? This is a graph not of a past SOFR or how SOFR has moved, but how the SOFR is likely to be, how the market pricing or the curves are expecting SOFR to move. So the expectation is that it will go up to 529, and from there it will slowly come down. By 2025, reach, or maybe mid to 25, it will reach around 355 levels. And then if you take these hiccups away, so it will settle around 333 kind of levels for a long time. This is the expectation. So for 2 years, it will remain the expectation. What we are saying is our expectation is that it will be more like this. Maybe, we don't know where the market will go from here, but at least it will be like this or like this. It is very difficult unless there is a deep recession to cut rates. There has to be a good amount of chaos in the market to justify a rate cut in this kind of situation where the whole market is abundant with money. Okay. So that's the thought process.